हाय, मैं हूँ प्रियंका चोपड़ा और आप देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
You also asked that do you feel challenged by the younger actresses today? So you mentioned that they are hugely talented. Alia, Shraddha and Parineeti to me are really stars to look out for. They are great kids, great girls and supremely talented. But I also know that there is no one who can do what I do. I don't know what it is, but whatever I do, I know that I add something to it, be it small or big. There is a quality about me that is very individual to me.
I believe every actor is signed because they bring something to a film which is individual to them. And those actors become stars who have that individuality. I have become what I am today because somewhere the audience feels, यार इसको देखने में अच्छा लगता है. The same way it happens with my contemporaries, the same way it will happen for the next generation and the next generation, whether it's male or female. We don't like me too's. जब भी कोई आता है ना जो किसी और की तरह है, audience को नहीं अच्छा लगता. You have to have individuality. So I am very content in my individuality. Whether it's Parineeti, Alia or Shraddha, I think they are supremely talented. I always call them up after their work and talk to them about the work that they do because I think they're the generation forward. I don't have insecurities because by God's grace I'm doing really great work. And जब तक मुझे लोग देखना पसंद करेंगे मैं दिखाई दूंगी. जब नहीं देखना पसंद करेंगे मैं कुछ और करूंगी.
A lot of actresses and a lot of fans of various actresses, they are really having this benchmark of what you've tried to do in Mary Kom. The way we've seen it so far that Priyanka कर रही है, आप क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? Women oriented stuff, why are you not doing it as it? So somewhere you become in a way like a symbol for female oriented roles that a lot of actresses have been shying away from. Rani has done I think wonderfully in Mardani in recent times, so both of you somewhere are being spoken about. Do you take it as a compliment?
First of all, मुझे तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम इस बात से है कि हम इस फिल्म को वुमन ओरिएंटेड बोलेंगे, बट इफ यू सी अ हीरो इन द सेम पोस्टर यू विल नेवर कॉल इट अ मेल ओरिएंटेड फिल्म. जेंडर बायस से वो हमारी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. एज अ फीमेल एक्ट्रेस, इफ आई हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट फीमेल एक्ट्रेसेस एंड से, बिकॉज आई एम ऑनेस्ट and I always get into trouble because of my honesty, the fact is that see the film for what it is ना. अगर इसमें लड़का हो या लड़की हो, सपोज ये कहानी विजेंद्र सिंह के ऊपर होती और इसको कोई हीरो कर रहा होता, आप नहीं कहते ना ये मेल डोमिनेटेड फिल्म जो हम देखने जा रहे हैं.
It's not about the gender bias, but the idea is that you know more meatier rather than playing second fiddle to the heroes.
But that's I gave you examples of 4 films right now.
That is
where girls you cannot take credit away from those girls.
And Chennai Express as well. That is something that is definitely there.
Exactly, and that is the change in the movie business today. You'll see it's a brilliant change. जहाँ पे लड़कियों को जो पिछले 10-15 सालों में नहीं हो रहा था, आजकल चाहे आप फैशन देख लो, डर्टी पिक्चर कहानी देख लो, क्वीन देख लो, मर्दानी देख लो, मैरी कॉम देख लो, these are female centric incredible movies, but at the same time you'll see in commercial mainstream films with main heroes you will see girls making a space for themselves, like for example Ram Leela, Chennai Express, Rajneeti, which was an ensemble but Katrina Kaif stood out. Me and Ileana in Barfi, it was a 100 crore film, big, stood out. You can't deny the girls anymore, and writers are writing it. That's the beauty of the change that is happening. But to me, it is very difficult and it's scary for an actor, female, to stand on the poster yourself. It's a very dicey situation because we are such a male-dominated world, whether it's Bollywood or Hollywood. People watch a film and say, अरे आर्टी होगी या female oriented film है, उसको आप automatically niche में डाल देते हो. Till that changes, which I hope it does because I see it changing. Slowly you will see this beautiful change happening where you see people watching a film because अच्छी film है. You watch मर्दानी से रानी यार fabulous, क्या तोड़ा है, क्या फोड़ा है and all great. Female or it's a good film. Mary Kom, inshallah, hopefully people will think it's a good film. When I did fashion, everybody had told me कि हीरोइन्स की फिल्में कोई नहीं देखता, करियर के एंड में हीरोइन्स करती हैं. I did it 2 years into being in the business. Etraz, when I did that role,
yeah, Etraz for sure.
Everyone told me it's a mainstream character. You can't take that away from me. It had Akshay Kumar, Kareena Kapoor at that time. It's the parts that you pick and choose, and I hope with more actresses doing films like that, it'll change for the future. It'll change for women. It'll bring women in an empowered space in the movie industry. And more actresses are doing it. You see how many of us are doing it now. It's not just 1 or 2. The difficulty with it is, Faridun, we have to do commercially successful films जिसमें शायद हमारे पास छोटा role हो. We have to do those films to be able to do a film.
You've said that before.
And I really believe it.